Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar, Sam Hunt. I'm not sure if you had him on Goring Guitar before. Listen to his music, absolutely. Yes, but maybe not here. And anyway, we're gonna go into the song called Liberty. And I really like this song. It has this Western style all over it, but with a very modern touch. I like that song and the sound in it, so yeah. Let's go into it. We're going to handle it with a capo on the 3rd fret. Absolute best scenario for us with standard tuning. And that will be 4 chords that follows with that. A minor, E minor, D, and G. So let's go into the chords with the capo on 3rd. We're going to start with A minor, and that goes open A, the 2nd D, the 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D. We're going to use this C-shaped version of it. So it goes 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. And that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. So let's go and learn the melody here for the verse, and it will be very, very similar for the chorus as well. So we're going to play this part. It's based upon A minor, E minor, and D for the verse. Okay, so we're going to start with the A minor first. And what you're going to do here is to hold the chord as it is. And you're going to pick the open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. All these 4 strings if you can together. Or if you just have a pick, you can go with a downstroke as well. Okay, so pick and then clap. Then you do 2 fast picks there, same strings, and a clap. Okay, that's the A minor part. So then comes the E minor. You're gonna pick now the open E string together with open 2nd D, open G, and open B. And a clap. And then you go into the D part and you're going to play. So pick now the 5th A together with 4th D. And then open G. There you have 1 round. So it goes like this. Alright. So you're going to play that for 5 rounds. Either you go with this melody or we're going to learn the strumming now. So the strumming pattern, 1 round with A minor goes like this. Okay. So you're going to play down, up, down, up. You start there. So then comes clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is 1 round. And a couple of rounds, you get the feeling for it. It goes like this. And so on. All right. So you're going to play A minor, 2 string rounds, E minor, 1, and D, 1. So A minor, E minor, and D. Again. A minor, E minor, E, and D. So 2 ways there of handling the verse. Either go with the melody or strumming. You're going to do it for 5 rounds. Then into the chorus. It's very similar like I mentioned before. You're going to play the melody in the same way for A minor. Then on G, that's where the difference happens. So you're going to play the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open D, open G, and open B. And the clap. And then comes the D in the same way. Okay, so that will be 1 round in the chorus. So it goes like this. Okay, you're going to play that for 3 rounds or the same strumming. Now, of course, you use the A minor, G, and D. So A minor 2, G1, and D1, like this. For 3 rounds. Okay, so that is what you need to handle this song. Because the second round, you're gonna play the same way in the verse, but you just play for 4 rounds, and then comes the second final chorus / outro part. You're gonna play that A minor, G, and D for 10 rounds, I believe. I believe it's 10, maybe 11, not sure, but you just play that till the very end. And that covers Sam Hunt's Liberty. Great song, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.